Hey guys, I'm Allie. I'm a student, and today we're going to learn how to measure dry ingredients. So you're going to need a bowl, some measuring cups, I have 3 of them, some measuring spoons, and then something to measure. So we have oats, but you could use rice, you could use cereal, you could use whatever you have. So we're going to start with 1 cup, which is the biggest cup I have. You're going to start by scooping the cup into the bag or whatever you're using. And you're going to try to get as full as possible. And then you're going to want to level it out. So you're going to take your finger and you're going to slide across, push all of the excess on the top off, like that, into the bowl. And now it's even, so you have the perfect amount measured. Okay, so that was 1 cup. Then we have 1/2 a cup, which is half the size of the big cup. And you're going to do the same thing. So let's try it. Scoop into the bag. Take it out. Then take your finger flat across. Brush it off. Now you have the perfect amount for 1/2 a cup. And you can do the same thing with the 1/4 a cup. So I'm going to ask you to do that and try it yourself. After that, we're going to use the measuring spoons. So this is to measure smaller amounts of things. And you're going to see you have different sizes, but I have 1 tablespoon, which looks like this. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to scoop it in, fill it up. Take your finger, swipe the excess off. There you go. And then, just so you guys know, it gets confusing. There's 1 tablespoon, and then you also have something called 1 teaspoon, which is smaller. So you can have 3 of these little teaspoons equal 1 tablespoon. So the tablespoon's bigger, the teaspoon's smaller. 3 of the teaspoons can fit into 1 tablespoon. And then just to review, you have 1 cup, which is the biggest cup. You have 1/2 a cup, which is half the size of the big cup. And then you have the smallest cup, which is called 1/4 a cup. 4 of these can fit in this big one, which is pretty cool. And whenever you measure, you always want to make sure that you take your finger straight across and level it out. And there you go. So you guys can go and try this when you're making the recipes that we have for you guys. Bye.